Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. Welcome to the channel. If you do watch a few videos, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it all helps us out. Everyone forgets to do it, but if you subscribe, builds the channel. Right, what this video is about is one of these all-in-one solar system type jobs where you've got lithium batteries, the charger, everything you need. You simply put a couple of plugs in either side, the solar panels plug into it, and it'll work. So what I'll do is I'll quickly show you how we've thrown it. We've thrown it in, to be honest, because it's one of our friends, so it's not a pucker job. But I'll show you what we've done. We put it in there. It's one of these all-power ones. Solar panels and all that plug in the back, and everything goes on the front there. So that's all working. And what we've literally done is put a 13 amp lead onto his shore line, and we've just plugged that into the socket on the van. This is the shoreline, so that's 240 volt mains. This is a solar pack. Right, so that's what we've done. And now what I'll do is I'll show you how it all works on the app, and then we can see what is charging with full sun and what is charging without any sun. Let's have a look. Right, it's just started to cloud over. So this is what we've got in cloudy conditions. We've got 344 input, that's coming off the panels. Now the panels that we put on are 360 watts, about 400 watts, so you got 800 watts basically up there. And this is the output, so this is what Colin's using. That's what the battery setup has actually got power in it for another 3 hours or so. But what I'll do is you can see this going up and down with the cloud cover. 511, sort of, it's a sunny day, it's quite warm, so that's what we've got. Now if we get full sun, this went up earlier to 650, so input 650, and this stays about that. That's it. He's got his dehumidifier on and the television on and a few other bits and pieces, so that's basically how it works. So it's a very good system, but this will, I'll just show you how this changes with full sun. There you go, the sun's poked through and we're getting 570 odd watts. So it's a cloudy old day. We did have to have up to about 700 watts with clear sun, but you can see this figure sort of changing all the time, so that gives you an idea. See, he's going, it might make 600 and our output's 470. Yeah, see? So I'll just show you up at the sky. It should make 600, or one more. There you go, 606. So the sun has just literally come out. There you go, that's the sort of sky that we've got. So this is what you're getting. See that big old black cloud up there? That's probably going to take it down to about 100 watts. But there you go. So that's a true representation of what you'll get out of roughly 800 watt panels in full sun. That's what you'll get, and that's the rig. These are quite good. So if it's in the market for this sort of thing, we don't sell them, so don't ask us to install them. It's the sort of thing that you can buy, plug and play, do it yourself. By all means, we'll stick some panels on the roof for you. But if you got to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Over and out from CCRV. What we're going to do today is just show you a quick... I'll also do that again.